Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with SendGrid for email sending step by step clearly. To authorize with SendGrid for email sending, start by visiting the SendGrid website. Create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Settings in the left-hand menu. Select Sender Authentication from the options available. Here, you'll see different authentication options. Choose either domain authentication or single sender verification. For domain authentication, click on Get Started. Choose your DNS host from the drop-down menu. SendGrid will generate the necessary DNS records for you. Copy these DNS records to your clipboard. Now, log into your domain registrar or DNS provider. Navigate to the DNS management section. Paste the records you copied from SendGrid. Make sure to save your changes. Return to SendGrid and click on Verify next to the DNS records. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation message. Your domain is now authorized for sending emails. If you opted for single sender verification, click on Add Sender. Fill out the form with your sender details. SendGrid will send you a verification email. Click the verification link in that email. Once confirmed, your email address is authorized for sending. You are now ready to send emails through SendGrid. Follow these steps whenever you need to authorize a new domain or sender address. Successful authorization helps improve your email deliverability rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.